Hey guys, welcome to Mandrino Motorsports. This is my buddy's 2019 Toyota Tacoma. Today we're going to do a real simple, easy install with the Meso Custom Lights. They're pretty close to stock. They have the same kind of look and feel, but they're slightly styled different. Some of the layouts a little different, and I believe these are all LED. He scooped them up for a steal on sale for 300 bucks. If you guys like this video and you want to see more of this truck, it's like my truck but highly modified, so there's some really cool features and cool things that have been done, but if you want to see it, let me know and we'll work something out with him to let us show you. So I'm going to go ahead and have him hit the brake lights real quick to show what they look like before. Let's go ahead and hit the left blinker. So that's what the blinkers look like now. Obviously you can see your brake lights here. Go ahead and kill the blinker. And then your running lights there. Go ahead and hit your brake one more time. So that's what it looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this apart. Should be as simple as 2 bolts here. Pops out, new ones plug in. So we'll go ahead and get into it. All right, so we'll start with the top 10mm and the very bottom. This middle one doesn't hold the tail light in. I'm using the Milwaukee M12 ratchet to try and make my life easier. It's a little faster. You don't have to use that. These do snap into place, so they're going to be snug as they come out. So you kind of want to grab edge and work it back, break it loose. And then you want to remove the plugs. Let me hand me those channel locks. I'll try and pull them from the housing this time. You want to be gentle and not break the clips. They are plastic, depending on how old your Tacoma is. They're pretty, the plastic gets pretty brittle and can cause it to snap. So you want to be extra careful as you're pulling them out. And they are sealed, which also causes them to be really tight. So that's what the inside looks like. You've got your running light, brake light, turn signal, and reverse light. So here's that new light again. Same kind of setup. Looks like you've got some options for some plugs here, but you don't need to worry about those. And then you've got your reverse light, and then it looks like this has an extension, something you can add for, like, I believe it's for a third brake light down low between the tailgate. I'll have to check that and get back to you on that. So the install's super simple now that we've taken it apart. You just go in, you match the plugs and plug them in. Triangle to triangle, square to square. And they are going to be kind of snug. These are weatherproof plugs, so they're going to be tight when you put them in. Don't force them and break them, but you also need to be firm with them. So that's all of them plugged in. And then you want to make sure you've got a big space, but it's also a tight space because you're putting a lot of stuff in all at one time. So you want to make sure you get everything in there where it's not pinching. And then give it a gentle, persuasive bump. And then just the same thing again. You just take your 10mm bolts. and you put them right back where you pulled them out of. Lastly, you'll remove your plastic, and just like that. Those are some new tail lights. So I'll go ahead and move the camera back. I'll let you see them working. That way you can have a direct comparison. I've already given you a left to right as out with the old and with the new, but I want to go ahead and just show you what it looks like now all together as one package.